Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make number in InfiniteCraft. So let's get into the video. So open up InfiniteCraft. So here, once you're on InfiniteCraft here, so we're going to start off with water. So water with earth, we get plant, and then plant with wind, and that will give you dandelion. So when you get dandelion with plant, and that will give you weed. So you're going to leave that for now, and then now you're going to go get a dandelion, add it with water. Okay, that's going to give you a wine, and then wine with water, it's going to give you a holy water. So holy water added with fire, it's going to give you a vampire, and then vampire you're going to add it with weed. So that will give you a count. So when you get to count, so this count, add it with another count here, and that will give you a number, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you make number in InfiniteCraft. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.